What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be making one of the most amazing breakfast dishes of all time, the shakshuka. So today we're going to be dicing some onions, some bell peppers, doing some pan flippies, making the most amazing vibrant tomato sauce, cracking a few eggs, and making the most amazing breakfast dish ever. Ooh, oh my god, looks so good. It's shakshuka time. Start with the onion, cut it in half, through the root, top off right here like this, put the skin away. This. To do is simple dice. You cut strips, don't cut all the way to the root, and then you cut your horizontals, then you dice. I'm going to show you how to actually dice the pepper, top and bottom and all. It's no waste, okay? Check this out. Top off, bottom off. We're going to go through like this. So we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut around it, roll the pepper around so you get rid of this side pith here too, and get rid of all the seeds. Cut it in half, layer it on top. We cut our strippies. We lay our strippies down and then we turn it. Nice, nice, nice. Now we're going to do the top. You can remove the stem without getting rid of any pepper, like this. We're going to drag the knife tip down, turn it, and we're going to dice it. Bottom, we're going to do the same thing, cut into strips, turn it, cut into dice. Peppers. So I've been dicing my tomatoes like I dice my onion. Cut it in half, keep the core in, flip it down. We're going to pretend that the core is the root of an onion. We're going to do our strippies across, and we're going to do our horizontals, and then we're gonna dice. The beauty about a shakshuka, you can put anything you want in it. The main ingredients that go into a shakshuka are peppers, tomato sauce, paprika, cumin. It's a Mediterranean dish. Whenever I make shakshuka, I just make sure there's tomato sauce, paprika, peppers, and then everything else is choose your own adventure. So this one I'm gonna be doing ramps. Ramps. Spinach. Spinach! So spinach, just break off the leaves. We're gonna leave them big. Can't forget the garlic. Smash. Garlic smash. Peel the skin away. We chop it, chop it, chop it. Mincing the garlic. In here I got some cumin and coriander seeds. Oh, smells amazing. Almost forgot the parsley. Parsley. Curly parsley, curly. Shakshuka, you want a nice herbaceous flavor, so we're just gonna pick the florets off. Let's start cooking the shakshuka. This pan's gonna be on about medium heat. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. Garlic first, get that nice garlic oil. Onions right away, so it doesn't burn the garlic. Season, salt. Cook this down until the onions get translucent. Little translucent. We're gonna start adding our peppers. Don't forget to season. Every step of the way. Every step of the way. Yippee! And at this point, we're gonna start adding our spices. Because the spices are dry, we're gonna add them to the pan first so they can cook out and become very aromatic. And we're gonna add our paprika, and this is gonna get cooked together. We're gonna add our tomatoes. Tomatoes! Don't forget the season. Smells so good already. It smells so good. That's pepper. Pepper. So now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. We're gonna give this a good mixy-poo. We're gonna season this up. A little salt. Oh my god! Oh my god! Smells amazing. We're gonna add our greens. Incorporate the spinach. When you cook spinach, it shrinks a lot. And we're gonna fold that in gently. Try to bury the spinach underneath. It'll get cooked in the steam and it'll flavor up. So at this point, we're gonna introduce our ramps. Ramps! And also our parsley. Parsley! Not all of it though. Need some garnish. So now that we have our shakshuka, I'm going to turn it down to about a medium-low, and I'm going to make little divots, 4 little divots with the eggs, just like this, just like this. Here come the eggs. Look at those eggies. Very, very important. You want to season the eggs now. So then the salt has time to penetrate all the way through. And now we're going to put the heat onto low. And now we're going to cover it. And we're going to cook that for 4 minutes. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of parsley. Looks so good. Here we go. Oh, hot. Hot. Remember, shakshuka is pretty much your choose your own adventure kind of deal. You just saute up whichever vegetables you want and then throw some eggs in it, put a lid on it, and then call it a day. This is absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Try this at home. Please subscribe to me if you haven't already. Like this video. And I'm gonna have the ingredient list in the description down below. And I will see you next time. Oh, perfectly cooked egg, no big deal.